friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. As you can see, it's kind of sunny out today because we've actually had some pretty heavy rains the last few weeks. So today we're going to take advantage of that sunshine and maybe go for a little joyride and just enjoy it while it lasts. So where are we heading to today? I don't know. Let's just head in the car and see where it takes us. today's mini trip to the Korean Belle of Friendship. And I hope you had a good and relaxing time overlooking the ocean and just to get out a little bit from being cooped up in the office slash room slash house. Do come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.